I guess we received these nice save your heated gloves, which are rechargeable and they are electric. So let's take them out of here. These are the purple gloves. They have this nice texture on the outside. And they have this clip to hang them together. You just separate like that. Here comes the user guide, a travel bag, and in here we have the charger of the batteries, and the proper batteries, obviously one for each glove. So let's take them out. They're perfect because, you know, winter season is coming and you can also use these kinds of gloves to go skiing, something like that. Okay, so take on this little tab, take it, put this one here, and in here you have this little like bag, so you can put in there the battery without worrying a thing. Okay, now it's on, so let's put on the other one. Okay, they actually heat up really fast and really nicely. There you have it. You can now go to ski, make some outdoors activity this winter, and be well protected with your heated gloves, which are really nice. Okay, they fit really perfect, and you can adjust them right here in this part or in here in this black part, which is really nice, and they have perfect temperature to keep you warm this winter. See ya.